The DJI Lito Series is DJI's brand new entry-level drone family, launched in 2026 and aimed at beginners and casual flyers who want easy, safe, capable aerial footage without breaking the bank. It includes two models, the Lito 1 and the Lito X1. Both are lightweight, feature omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and pack intelligent shooting tools made for everyday creators. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is DJI's more premium compact drone, released in 2025. It's widely regarded as one of the best small drones for creators looking for professional-grade footage in a tiny package, and it comes with a higher price tag and more advanced tech. So it's already clear, the Lito series is more budget-friendly, while the Mini 5 Pro pushes harder on photo and video performance. Now, question is, which one should you buy? Let's dig into the details. Starting with design and portability, all three drones, Lito 1, Lito X1, and Mini 5 Pro, are ultra-compact and travel-friendly. They feature foldable arms and lightweight builds that make them easy to throw into a backpack. The Mini 5 Pro weighs around 249.9 grams, while the Lito models are also under 250 grams. That makes all of them ideal for travel creators, students, and casual flyers who don't want to deal with heavy gear. In terms of build quality, the Mini 5 Pro feels slightly more premium, but the Lito models are clearly designed to be durable and approachable for beginners. Now let's talk about the camera systems, because this is where the biggest difference shows up. The Lito 1 comes with a 1x2-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting 48 megapixel photos and 4K video at up to 100 frames per second. That's impressive for an entry-level drone and more than enough for social media, travel clips, and everyday aerial footage. The Lito X1 steps things up with a larger 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, still 48 megapixels but with improved low-light performance and better dynamic range. It also supports HDR video up to 4K at 60 frames per second and includes 10-bit D-Log-M for better color grading flexibility in post-production. On top of that, the X1 adds forward LiDAR sensing for more precise obstacle detection ahead of the drone. The Mini 5 Pro, however, takes imaging to another level with its 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is significantly larger than what you get on either Lito model. It captures 50 megapixel photos and shoots 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, giving you smoother slow-motion footage and more flexibility in editing. It also supports 10-bit video, HDR, and D-Log-M, just like the Lito X1, but thanks to the larger sensor, you get better overall image quality, stronger low-light performance, and more natural depth. Another standout feature is the 225-degree gimbal rotation, which allows for creative angles and true vertical shooting for platforms like Instagram and TikTok without heavy cropping. When it comes to flight time, all of these drones perform surprisingly well. The Lito 1, Lito X1, and Mini 5 Pro each offer up to around 36 minutes of flight time with the standard Intelligent Flight battery. That's solid endurance for drones in this size category and gives you enough time for multiple shots in a single session. In terms of transmission, the Mini 5 Pro uses DJI's O4 Plus video transmission system, supporting a maximum range of up to about 20 kilometers under ideal conditions and depending on local regulations. The Lito series also offers stable and reliable transmission for everyday flying, but the Mini 5 Pro clearly leads in maximum theoretical range and signal strength. Safety and obstacle sensing are strong on both sides. The Lito series features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which helps detect obstacles in multiple directions and reduces the risk of crashes, a big plus for beginners. The Lito X1 goes a step further with forward LiDAR sensing, improving precision when flying toward objects. The Mini 5 Pro also includes advanced omnidirectional sensing with LiDAR and vision sensors, along with enhanced subject tracking. It supports active track 360 degrees, allowing the drone to follow a subject smoothly from multiple angles while automatically planning its flight path. For creators who rely heavily on tracking shots, the Mini 5 Pro offers a slightly more refined performance. In terms of intelligent shooting modes, both lineups are well equipped. You get features like quick shots, hyperlapse, panorama, and automated cinematic moves on the Lito models as well as on the Mini 5 Pro. These modes make it easy to capture professional-looking footage without complex manual flying. The Mini 5 Pro's tracking and automation feel more advanced overall, but the Lito drones still deliver a very keepable smart flight experience, especially considering their more affordable positioning. Storage is another area where the Mini 5 Pro has an edge. It includes 42 gigabytes of internal storage in addition to micro SD card support, meaning you can start filming right away even if you forget your memory card. The Lito series relies on micro SD cards for storage, which is standard practice and works perfectly fine, but it doesn't offer the same built-in backup option. Now let's talk about price, because this is where the decision becomes very clear. The DJI Lito series is positioned as the more affordable option. The Lito 1 is the most budget-friendly model, while the Lito X1 sits slightly higher due to its improved sensor and LiDAR support. The DJI Mini 5 Pro, on the other hand, starts at around $759 USD for the base version, with Fly More combo packages often priced around $1,000 or more depending on the controller configuration. That means you're paying a noticeable premium for the Mini 5 Pro's larger sensor, higher-end video capabilities, built-in storage, and advanced Octave Track 360-degree system. So, which one should you buy? If you're a beginner, casual flyer, or someone who wants solid 4K video, 48-megapixel photos, strong safety features, and up to 36 minutes of flight time without spending top dollar, the DJI Lito series makes a lot of sense. The Lito 1 is great for tight budgets, while the Lito X1 offers a nice balance of affordability and upgraded imaging with its 1x1.3-inch sensor and 10-bit video. However, if you're serious about aerial photography or filmmaking and want the best possible image quality in a sub-249-gram drone, the Mini 5 Pro stands out with its 1-inch sensor, 50-megapixel stills, 4K at 120 frames per second, 10-bit video, HDR and D-Log-M, and 225-degree gimbal rotation with Active Track 360-degree system.